A quick update on the compressor rebuild. Just been spending a bit of my time going over and doing this little motor up, mainly because I had a lot of the paint I needed. I've got a little bit of spare time now. My hours have been knocked back due to obvious events, so I figured I'd get out here into the garage and do a bit more on the compressor. Here we are through here. So she's stripped. We've got to pull all the compressor off shortly and paint that before it goes back on. Do the trailer too. Obviously it's still a bit of a mess there, so I'll pull that off, grease all the hubs up properly and put it together and give this a paint as well. So with what time I've got, that's what I'm going over. But yeah, figured I'd vapor blast up some stuff and paint the block. But I'm really happy with how it's come up. Looks really nice. I don't know if you remember, but that rocker cover and that manifold just looked horrible, so I'll put something up that showed what that looked like before. I also had someone contact me about the dishwasher build, asked a whole bunch of questions. He's overseas, he's just lost his job, and wanted to do something to try and supplement his income. And he wanted to start doing some vapor blasting, and he's got a few tools, but he couldn't afford to go all out and buy a full system, so he was really interested in the old dishwasher because he wanted to know whether or not he could do something similar and get a really cheap unit up and going, just to try and get a little bit of income. The position he's in, he doesn't require much. He does do a little bit of mechanical stuff, but he wanted to add vapor blasting to that list of services he can offer. So I've answered a few of his questions. I may do another video a little bit later on that. So there's my update. Not sure how often I'll be able to get videos through. At the moment, like I say, my hours have been cut back, so I'm kind of doing whatever I can to make sure that my income stays at a sustainable level. But thought I'd quickly fire up a bit of an update. I've had a couple more questions as to what I've been doing, and hopefully this answers that.